Hey guys, I'm Frank from Totally Foodies, and today I'm going to be showing you how I roasted a butternut squash. Let's see how I did it. This here is a butternut squash. It is oblong and orange in color. You may want to laugh at its shape, but you gotta get your mind out of the gutter if you want to be able to break it down and roast it correctly. It's actually a very delicious vegetable. So without wasting too much time, let's get down to how you can break it down and roast it in the oven. To break down a butternut squash, all you need is a cutting board and a knife. And I completely forgot about this stainless steel knife set, so I figured let's be flashy today. At first I just thought the squash was too tough for the knife, but then I realized that my knife is just really dull. After 2 or 3 minutes of struggling with that knife, I finally cut it open, and as you can see, on the inside it's a very beautiful shade of orange. After wasting a lot of time with the crappy knife, I finally grabbed a decent knife. So what you're going to do is just cut the rind off, because the rind isn't that good to eat. And after repeating and just giving it a little cubing, I'm going to put it into a shallow baking dish, which you'll realize soon enough is too small, which I had to also replace. And for your entertainment, here's a clip in real time of me trying to process one little piece of butternut squash as quickly as I can. And that's actually not that bad. Once all the squash is in the baking dish, I put a little bit of canola oil on it so it would roast easier. And then I just gave it a little mix with my hand so that it would be evenly coated with oil. For seasonings, I chose some smoked paprika, which is one of my favorites and I would highly recommend. Then I put some garlic salt, which I just had laying around. And then I put even more garlic in the form of some garlic pepper, which I also had. Then I'm just going to bake this in the oven at like 350 for 45-ish minutes. And pro tip, if you have any downtime while cooking, use this time to clean any dishes you may have used. 45-ish minutes later, the squash has emerged from the oven looking beautiful. And I'm just going to use this little server to plate me some into a small bowl, because this is the only thing that I cooked. And all of our painstaking effort is done. Those seasonings gave it some beautiful color. But the more important question is, how does it taste? I'm just going to give it a little taste. And it tastes pretty good. All those seasonings really did play well together, not just to give it color, but to give it a beautiful taste. Squash by itself is semi-sweet, which definitely helps. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed, please be sure to like and subscribe. See you later.